Hi mga kabalak, welcome back again. Ayan, tuloy tayo sa we're going to continue our making videos sa ating cooking kwentuhan. Ayan, so continuation tayo. Yung kanina, nag-prepare tayo. Ngayon, dito na tayo. Prepare natin yung pagluluto natin, yung paglalagay natin sa what we call this one, uling. Yung uling kasi yung gamit natin ngayon sa pagluluto. So, ayan, pinipare ko kanina. So, when I start boiling down the water, then we're going to start to making video. Ayan mga kabalak, yung prepare natin kanina, this one, that we're going to prepare. So, ayan na siya. Ganun natin konti dahil it might be fall, no? So, yan, ilulunod na natin isa-isa. So, para makita nyo makabalak. Yan. Going to slowly because water might fall right here in the baga-baga. Yan. It might be doing like that. The moisture, no? So, the ashes might be something like put right here, no? Yeah, together with the if there's a wind. So, ayan mga kabalak, lagay na natin yung lemongrass. Ayan siya. And this one, the next is ginger. Yeah. Put the ginger part by part, no? Kasi going to make it slow because might be fall. So not rush even though our time is very short. So we're going to try to manage to take time, not to rush. Diba? For those viewers, my viewers out there, no? Mga foreign, so I'm going to effort to speak English to all of you para easily to understand, no? Ayan. I'm going to wait for a second to boil again. So after we put this fish, ayan. While waiting mga kabalak, so kwentuhan muna tayo, no? And we have what we call this one, Moringa oleifera. You know? Malunggay or kalamunggay, paano? Sa ato na term dito sa Pilipinas, no? Malunggay, parang ganun siya. Or the other term is Moringa oleifera. Ayan. Watch lang already mga kabalak, no? Ayan, may pamangkin. Ayan ha. May pamangkin. So while waiting for another second to boil again. So ngayon shout out muna ako sa lahat ng mga viewers ko out there. Hello sa inyong lahat. Sa mga foreign and even here, especially here in the Philippines. Hello sa inyo, mga subscriber ko. Ayan. And thank you mga kabalak ha, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-subscribe na. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Tayin natin sandali. Up. Pagumangkon. Hindi din makita. Jamming muna tayo mga kabalak, no? Kabir-kabir ba? While waiting.
Ang galing mo. Pero isang sabi ko.
Yan, mga kabala. Mabali siya. Mabali. Tagitawag ka. Itawag ka ni mama. Dali, dito. Yes, the train doesn't choose the name. Stop the words. Dala, Sophie. Dala, paliw ko rin. Tawag.
Ayun, anak.
Ma.
Ayun na, maganda
Dala
anak.
ka.
Kasi, ganyan, dali. Ay, di ba, uwi na, Sophie, oh.
Ayan, makabala ka. Dala nga, anak. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin. We put some, sa amin ito, asin. No? Salt. Asin. Dilim, kuhan makabala ka. Basta kayo. Salt, no? Ayan. Para tawag ano? Mag-melt siya. O na, may lasa na agad. Tapos mamaya, dagdagan na lang, no? Dagdagan natin pang, ano, para may lasa na. Already have a taste, no? If you taste the broth, para if you what we call this one, lunod-lunod the isda, the fish, so yung taste niya, yung nilagay mong mga seasoning mag-absorb, already absorbed, no? So ayan. Lagyan natin ng put some uling, no? Yung pamangkin ko dito kanina, yung naka-place sa ating gadget, nakaganon. Baka if already moved the lamesa, the table might be fall. So that's why need to the other person who to assist, no? To take the child. It might be fall. They broke the gadget, the cell phone. I don't have any cell phone. Oh, diba? So, you must take care of that. I don't have money to buy a cell phone. This cell phone is give to my sister. Isda, nagluto. Ha? Ay, nag-vlog. Oh, kailangan akong i-upload na po siya kay sa mga viewers para na sila matanaw. They have a video. Seen already my videos, no? Mga kabala? Ayan. So I think mga kabala, we're going to put the fish na. No? I think we need to put the fish. Ayan. As long as if we seen the broth, there is a color of it because of the seasoning. You put some mga what we call this one, mga palamuti, mga sibuyas, mga luya, lemongrass. If you put that, and the color of the water might be changed if they boil down, no? So that's the time we put the fish. Ayan. Slowly again. Ayan mga kabala ko. Ayan. Lagyan, gano'n natin konti ha. Very, yan. So may kulay na siya. Malalaman mo. Medyo nag-iba na yung kulay ng tubig. So that's the time we put the fish, no? Ayan, no? Two. 3, and 4. 4 fish already. So, until ito, hanggang sa umaga, ang tanghali. Ito yung pagkain natin ngayon. So, we wait again. We boil again, no? Antay tayo for a second na naman to boil the water until it's finished. Time to, haon-haon. So, ayan, madali lang. Basta isda, no? Basta fish. Very to cook. Medyo gentle, gently, very gentle siyang easy to lambot. To soak the meat of the fish. Ayan. Medyo mga kabalak, for those the next segment natin is yung we're going to also to segment the ating roaster, no? Yung chicken natin, yung update the ating alaga. So I'm going to update you that. I think after this or after meal. So, time check. Ayan. No? If we boiled mga kabalak, again, that's the time we put this moringa oleifera or malunggay. Kalamunggay sa Bisaya pa, kalamunggay. Ganito yung already mga kabalak na ginagawa ko, no? I have something to do for my family, contributing. I have to contribute something special, special cook, and also some other kind of as long as I could help, basic of principles of life, living, especially in the house, no? Yun yung usually ginagawa natin to help family or even the financially, something like that, mga kabalak, no? That's why I put myself into vlog, no? Nakarating ako sa vlog because of they said the other people that they have something to earn money here. So that's why I'm going to try. Years, 1 year, 2 years, and more than that. I felt happy right here, no, mga kabalak, to making videos, to my vlog. Diyan ko nalalaman na masaya pala. They have already happiness here. If you vlog, making vlog, no, making videos for yourself, for your family, or otherwise to inspire people also, especially poor people, ganon. Maisip din nila na maggagawa sila ng kanilang videos just to earn money, to make money. Yun yung pagkakaalam ko kasi, no? So to inspire people, yun yung kaya yung segment ko, they music, they have some livelihood, livestock. I think right now starting to breed, not bigger, small one already, as long as I have, if there's right there to acquiring, or even friends, and especially friends, sometimes you might give, no, for once in a while, or the other also is to, if there is a buyer to buy, to acquire your roaster, so that's the time you sell your product or your roaster you breed, something like that. So mga kabalak, no? So the time check natin is medyo malapit na itong kabalak. So I think hindi na natin makakasya yung time. I think until next time na naman, no, magpapaalam na ako. Actually luto na ito kasi boiled na, pag-boiled na siya ng no, Mainit na masyado. So, I think until next time makabalak ha. We see you later. So, sa chicken na naman tayo. Sa Chika Chicks kwentuhan na naman tayo. Yung i-upload natin. So, until next time, see you again.